Hey, welcome to this overview. My name is Shane Morand, and what I'm going to be doing here is taking you through the dashboard. You'll see how intuitive this is. Make sure that once you register, that you make sure to KYC. It's very intuitive again, very simple. Just click on the link, submit the required documentation, and away you go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is to show you how to do a deposit, because that's probably the first thing you're going to want to learn how to do. It's very, very simple. We'll show you how to do it right here. Go ahead and click on that. Choose your the way that you want to deposit, whether it's USD or let's use USD as an example. Click on that. Set up your 2FA, which is your two-factor authentication. You go through that process. Once that is set up, here is the information that you're going to want to send your funds to. You go ahead and send it there. We do recommend TransferWise. The reason we recommend that service is that it is pretty quick relatively, and it could take maybe up to even a couple of hours for your funds to arrive. So TransferWise is one idea, or you can use the service that you prefer. So now we're going to jump over to the dashboard and show you what a fully funded account looks like. So as your funds arrive into the Kinesis monetary system, this is what you will see on your dashboard. Here we have our featured currencies and cryptocurrencies. As you can see, we have KAU, which is gold, and the KAG, which is silver. Now, 1 gram is 1 KAU, 1 gram of gold, and 1 ounce is 1 KAG. And again, this is physical, allocated, and it sits in the vaults. It's fully audited. It's fully redeemable. It has 0 storage fees, and that allows any user to digitally represent their holdings and interact the same way a bank would. We can send, we can receive, we can interact just like normal money. So the concept here is that we keep most of our currency balances within digital gold and silver and or crypto, and we keep it out of the fiat arena. Okay, we keep it where we want our money safe and we want our money titled to us. What's really neat about the components of this dashboard is as I hover over the KAU, you can see the KAU balance easily, and you can also see the change in the price of gold up or down within the last 24 hours. So you can access this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that you can track your portfolio at any time you want, and you know the value. Okay, along the top here, we have the send function, and that's if you want to send money from your Kinesis account to anyone in the world that has a Kinesis account. All right, so you can send money over the blockchain with Kinesis using physical gold in under a second, anywhere in the world. This is phenomenal. And all you simply do is just select your blockchain address that you want to send to. So the user sends you their blockchain address, you pipe it in right here. Just cut and paste it in right here. From there, you can go down and you can put the reference description in terms of, you know, what the money is for, and away you go. Remember that you can also, when you send the money, send the KAU, send the KAG, whatever you're sending, you want to save that contact. So you just, all your contacts can be saved right here. All right, very, very simple. You can save those contacts and they'll be available the next time you want to send. And finally, here on this link here, you can see the wallet, which is a separate wallet that is actually linked into your account. And so we're going to do another video specifically on the wallet, but just so that you know that that wallet is separate, and we link it right into this platform right here. So here we have it at the top. You see the send button, you see the receive and request. We're going to focus right now on the receive. When you want to receive any form of KAU or KAG or even Bitcoin or Ethereum or Tether address, whatever currency you want, you can simply select that currency, copy the address, and you share that address to the person who's sending you the money. You can send it by email, and so that they can copy that address and they can use their send functionality to send you whatever form of money that you want. Now, at this point, it's important to mention that whether you're sending or receiving the money, that money will become immediately available. It's instantly settled by the blockchain, and it can easily be sold by simply topping up your debit card. So when you receive the KAUs or KAG, you can top up your own debit card, and you can use that now to spend. coffee, buy a pair of shoes, whatever you want, real items. All right. So with that, this is very, very exciting part here. Now, I just want to mention at this point that every single account holder has a virtual debit card, and the US has the full physical debit card, and soon to come in Europe and all throughout the UK will also be a physical Visa debit card. All right, that's coming very, very soon. So now that we've talked about the send, the receive, last here on this section is the request button, which is very interesting. And let's say, for example, that you're a business and another business owes you $5,000, or even a person owes you $5,000. Here you can request that money. And in this example, let's say they didn't have a Kinesis account set up. Here you put the 5,000, it automatically converts to the KAU, or it would convert to KAG or to Bitcoin or to any of the currencies that we're currently holding here. All you need is their email address and a reference, what it's for, maybe services rendered. Right here, you click on the next button. This will generate an email that will be delivered to that person requesting for payment. And if they don't have an account, the link will bring them right into the functionality that sets up an account, that helps them go through the process of setting up their own account. Buying and selling gold and silver has never been easier. Here you can see you just choose the form, US dollars, or the amount. You click, it automatically calculates the KAG or KAU or whatever cryptocurrency. And then you hit this button that says preview buy, and here it'll confirm the amounts to make sure. You double, triple check it. It shows you the small fee that's included there, and then you go ahead and confirm. And the same thing on the sell. There'll be a button once you fill out the amounts. You click on preview sell, and it will confirm. It'll show you the amounts, the small fee, and you go ahead and confirm. Very, very simple. It's never been easier. And again, we're talking physical, digital, gold, and physical, digital, silver. Now, if you ever want to withdraw your funds, just click right here where it says withdraw. Very, very simple. You're going to choose the currency that you'd like to withdraw to, hit the next button. And now here's one of the cool features is you can withdraw to your bank account, or you can withdraw right into the mint. Now, if you don't know what the mint is, don't worry. We have other videos that will cover that. But this is really a cool feature where you can withdraw right into the mint and now, remint new KAU and new KAG. Do that. If you want to withdraw to your bank, just click right here. And now you can set up your account, just fill in the details, and you are good to go. Okay, if you ever want to redeem your KAU for physical gold, or if you want to redeem your KAG for physical silver delivered to you, all you got to do is go over to the right-hand side, click on settings. Can you see that? Click there. Yep. And then on the left-hand side, you see where it says redemption. Click on that. Okay. And now just fill out whether you want your KAG or KAU. Select the where you want it shipped from. And then you go ahead and click the submit button, and customer service will get back to you with the step-by-step process so that you can have your gold or silver delivered to you. Here we have a really cool section right here under where it says market prices. And here you can see each individual asset that you own, and you can see the activity that's happening, whether the market is going up in that asset, whether the market's going down, or whether it's flat. So really handy area here that you can track each individual asset that you hold. And if you want to buy or sell quickly, this is where you do it. It's very, very simple. You just click, you choose whether you want to sell or buy KAG or KAU or even Bitcoin or any others that are listed here below. Just click on the buy button. It's a quick market order execution. And the same goes with if you want to sell. If you want to sell, you just click on the sell button there, and it's a quick market order execution. Now, for those that are trading, if you're trading larger amounts, then you click on the trade button. It'll take you over to the exchange where you can set up your limit orders. All right, so if you want to find out more about how to use the exchange and all the ins and outs of the exchange, we're going to add a link here below with a video that goes into that in much more detail. Okay, on top of all of that, let's go over to the referral link. This is one of my favorite parts. It's very, very simple. Every single account holder has this referral link. Can you see the code right here? You just have to click that button right there. You can copy the link and you can include it in any form of messenger or email. Very intuitive. If you want to post on Facebook or Twitter, it'll automatically grab your referral link. And remember, every person that you refer, whether it's a person or a company or even a government organization, there is a permanent 7.5% of the fees throughout that account for the history of the account that are coming back to you, not in dollars, but in gold or silver. Imagine that. So there you have it. We've been on the overview section. Now, if you go to the top and just go over a little bit, you'll see the word transactions. Click it, go ahead and click on that. And here is where you can see all the transactions, the various transactions that you've made, whether it's on the exchange or whether you have it attached to the debit card. So it's a really good place to see all of your transactions in one spot. Yeah, the whole Kinesis dashboard is quite intuitive, but at any time, if you get stuck or if you have a challenge, just click at the very, very top right-hand corner there. You'll see that little logo. Just click on there and look for the support link. When you click on the support link, you'll have access to either helpful guides, or you can get in touch or even chat directly with a customer service representative. So it's good to know that that's available for you as you're logged into your dashboard. And here, just below the dashboard, if you click on accounts, all right, and this is really cool feature. Again, you have all of your accounts are set up here, and you can simply scroll across whether you want to see the KAU or KAG, BTC, etc. And you can see on the charts what's been happening, whether you want to look at the last 24 hours or the last week or month. So it gives you a really good snapshot here of what's happening in the markets. So here down on the left-hand side, I just want to touch on this link here that says Mint, and it's an incredible, incredible opportunity. It's the act of actually taking physical gold or physical silver and digitalizing it into KAU, digitalizing it into KAG. Now down below here, we're going to include an in-depth video series. I highly, highly recommend you go through all of it, because once you understand this minting process where you can take physical gold, physical silver, digitalize it into KAU and KAG, that will forever pay you a yield for creating that KAU and KAG. You are the actual creator, so you've minted it. Very, very exciting, but we're going to link below. Make sure you watch that entire video series with Andy McGuire. It's really well done, and you'll have a better understanding, and you'll be even more excited about the Kinesis monetary system than you already are. So there you go. There you have it, a quick overview on the Kinesis Money platform and the ins and outs. Obviously, there's a lot more to it that you can learn, and as you're clicking through, but it is quite intuitive. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember this, at any time, if you get stuck, if you have questions, just go over there to the top right-hand corner, click on the support button, and you can either download the information that you're looking for, search for the information that you're looking for, or connect directly via chat or email. All right, with that, thanks very much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.